Hi, I'm Elvic Johnny Aguado, and now we're gonna use case structures. First, we need to create a new VI. Now we're gonna create a simple temperature uh, converter. Right click in the front panel and add some vertical pointer slide and a thermometer. We're gonna also add some numeric indicator. Here in the block diagram, we're gonna create case structures. I'm gonna put this outside, and then we're gonna put the formula on how to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit and Celsius into Kelvin. And now we're gonna put some numeric control over here, and then use this numeric control to change the case structure. So now we can see here 0 and 1. We need to convert the Celsius into Kelvin, so we need another one. So we will put add case after. So you can see that there's another case here, so 0, 1, 2. And now we're gonna put the formula in converting degree Celsius into Kelvin. Now check if our Celsius to Fahrenheit works. So we're gonna put 1 here, and then let's see if let's change this first into 0 to 100. Then let's see if this works. So 27.551 degrees Celsius is equal to 81.5918 in Fahrenheit. It's working. Let's now look if our numeric degree Celsius into Kelvin works. So let's check. So 27.551 degrees Celsius is equal to 300.701 degrees Fahrenheit. We can also change this into 0 to 500. We'll now create a warning sign whenever 60 degrees Fahrenheit, whenever the temperature reaches 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, we're gonna put a new case structure. This we're gonna put a dialog and user interface and one bottom dialog. Let's right click and create constant. Let's type warning. Temperature reaches 60 Fahrenheit. So whenever this now we're gonna create comparison. We don't want the temperature to go 60 or above, so we're gonna put greater than or equal. Let's compare, and then numeric 60. So now you can see that and when this is false, the system will only go straight and do nothing. But if it's true, it will show the warning sign. So let's try this. Let's put this. So it's only 43, so the warning sign did not pop up. But when we put this the warning temperature reaches 60 degrees Fahrenheit, button pops up. Now here in the Kelvin, we're gonna create a same scenario, but here we're gonna put hot, normal, and cold whenever the temperature reaches a certain degree. That whenever the temperature temperature reaches 343.15 Kelvin, 343.15 Kelvin or higher, it will be set as hot. So we're gonna put greater than or equal to. And then another case structure. Then if it's true, we're gonna put a dialog interface that says hot. But if it's false, oh wait, we're gonna put the original number first here. But if it's false, we need to create another if and else statement. So we need another comparison. Said that if the temperature is between, so if it's between, we need range. It says that 342.15 and 323.15. So the bottom part here is the lower limit, and then the upper part here is the upper limit. Then this one is the original number. And then we're gonna create another structure. That says if it's true, we're gonna add some dialog button that says normal. But if it's false, we're gonna create another comparison, which is for cold. That if the value is below 322.15, it will be cold. Then we're gonna create another case structure over here. It's a bit crowded, so we're gonna whenever this is true, we're gonna add some dialog and then one button and put code. But when this is false, nothing will happen. So I'm gonna put this over here. And then whenever it's false, just gonna put this straight. This is true. I'm gonna add this. Then let's check if it's working. So here, for example, let's put numeric 2. For example, this 12.22 degrees Celsius, it says cold. But when this is 51, it says normal because the Kelvin is 3 to 4.17. But when this is 100, it says hot. So that's it for using case structures. Thank you.